I got birds out on the patio eating the seeds. From the animasia. They done ate it all off the branches. It's so bad that it's shaking down to the ground. They're having a good time out there. I don't know what kind of birds these are. Finches? Some of them are really small. He's pretty big. I don't know if it's a he, but some of the other ones, they're more slim. They got the same kind of markings, but very small. Yeah, I just took the animasia, the seeds that were left on some of the branches. Some of the branches were so far out there, they were too big for them or too weak for them to get out there. But the other one, they had cleaned off. So I just sprinkled them on the ground, hoping they would come in and take a gander. It looks like they are. I must have spilled some over there too. Yeah, well, that plant got a lot of them on it. There's one up top. That's another pretty big one for this bird size. He's trying to break through the snow. There's that one up there. Now there's two down here. Now they're getting territorial about the food supply. They're flying each other off. I can't catch it. Another bird comes in. I say, there you go. Oh, they got two chilling together. Here comes the third one. I don't know what's his ranking. Yeah. I think they got their feel. All right. Birds at play, eating up all my animasia.